Choosing the best business visa in the UK. Today's video is part 1 out of 2, where we'll be discussing the best business visas in the UK, and how you can choose the right one. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video, for complete information. The UK's businesses are flourishing at a fast rate, which makes the country a preferred destination for investors and other business people. In the UK, there are a number of business visas available, and choosing the right one is essential for your needs. If you are planning on immigrating to the UK for business, please share your thoughts below in the comments. Doing short-term business in the UK. The standard visitor visa is the best option to go when you are coming to the UK for usually up to 6 months. But to be able to use this visa for business purposes, you must ensure that your business activities should remain limited to the following list: signing deals or contracts and negotiating, holding surveys and site visits, collecting information for employment in foreign countries, taking part in conferences, interviews, meetings, and seminars within the UK, visiting trade fairs for business promotion, however selling directly is not allowed, getting an explanation about the demands of UK customers, but any work for customers must happen outside the UK, giving one or a series of speeches, and holding talks, but they cannot be arranged as corporate events, and can't make profits for the organizer. Launching a business in the UK. If you have good experience in doing business and you are a business person with a unique and practical business idea in any field, you can go for the UK Innovator Visa. In general, the business won't exist already, or if it exists, the work or trade won't have started yet. The requirements that you must fulfill in order to launch a business in the UK are the following. You must be 18 or older. Your business must be legit. You must have at least £50,000 funds for investment unless an exception applies. You must be approved by a UK body, which has estimated your plan as being operable and ascendable. You'll be provided with an endorsement letter, which should not be dated more than 3 months before your visa application. You must meet at least Common European Framework of Reference Level B2 English Language requirements. The UK Innovator Visa is valid for up to 3 years. After that, you can apply for indefinite leave to remain and settle in the UK. The Startup Visa. The Startup Visa is another good option. The key differences between a Startup Visa and Innovator Visa are that Startup Visa is precisely for startup businesses and investor funds are not required. Additionally, you must be approved by a legitimate body, which is either a business with a track record of supporting UK entrepreneurs, or a UK higher education institution. You can't settle in the UK directly through this visa, but you can stay in the UK for 2 years. This visa doesn't allow extension after 2 years, therefore, you need to apply for another visa category, such as Innovator Route or Skilled Worker, to stay in the UK. What are other options for overseas businesses based? If you have a business in a foreign country and want to set up a branch in the UK, through the Expansion Worker Visa, you can bring senior workers, including yourself, for a short period in order to organize your business operations in the UK. We have reached the end of part 1 of our video update. Stay tuned for the second part for more UK business visas. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.